Dear students of class 10, today we will study nutrition in human. First, I ask you to continue on the channel, like the video, subscribe the channel. You are taking many much interest in much more interest in biology, and that is why I have taken biology as the subject to teach you. Dear students of Minerva Public School, I again ask you to study properly, do your work, follow the channel, watch the video, complete your pair work. Now we will start human digestion in human. This is the rough diagram of human digestive system. It includes the following parts: mouth, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These are the main parts of human digestive system. How digestion take place in human being? First step means digestion start in mouth. When we grind and chew our food, the saliva from the salivary gland mixes the food, which contains an enzyme amylase, which help in digestion. Thus, food is partly digested in the mouth. Saliva also help the food, means lubricate the food, which make it easy to swallow through the food pipe. Then food reaches the food stomach through esophagus. It stay here for long period, 4 to 6 hours, where most of the digestion completed. The internal wall of the stomach contains a large number of glands that produces enzymes and some acid like hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid help in the digestion of large molecule of protein, and the smaller part molecule of glucose is digested directly by enzymes. Then the food passes through into the small intestine. Here two external organs, liver and pancreas, also help in digestion. Keep in mind, food does not pass through liver and pancreas, but they help in digestion. That is why I have not mentioned their name in the digestive system. But actually they are very important part of the digestive system. Liver has a gland, gallbladder. This contains bile juice. The bile juice passes through the bile duct into the small intestine, and pancreas produces pancreatic juice. These two juices, bile juice and pancreatic juice, mixed with food into the small intestine. One thing remember, pancreas has also duct that send pancreatic juice through the duct into the small intestine. It also produce insulin, which is very essential, that controls blood sugar, but it directly send the insulin into the blood. Since sends the insulin into the blood directly without using duct, hence it is a ductless gland, or can be called as endocrine gland. Thus this pancreas is endocrine gland as well as exocrine glands. Then when food reaches into the small intestine, the digestion completed here. complete die are completed here, and the simple water soluble molecule glucose dissolved in water from here. The internal wall of small intestine has finger-like structure called villi. These villis are rich in blood capillaries and absorb liquid food. Keep in mind, our body can take only liquid food. This solution is absorbed by the villi and then it's transferred to the blood, and from here blood carries to the all parts of the cell, which will be studied in respiration. Now the undigested food which passes into the large intestine, here the water is absorbed and the solid food, solid materials or waste is stored in rectum, and from rectum it is thrown out of the body through anus. This is the complete system of human digestion. It has no part, no work. Appendix has no work in digestion. Next we will study digestion in amoeba. Actually, I will send you first digestion in amoeba, then human digestive system. But due to some reason, due to the time shortage of time, I have make you understand this first, and now we will see digestion in amoeba, which is a unicellular organism. Next video.